Hey, what's up, guys? Andrew here for WP for Church, and I want to take a few minutes to make this quick tutorial to show you how to hide the Series Engine logo. If you're not familiar with Series Engine, it's an amazing sermon library plugin. You can drop a short code into any page. You can use a module from most of the big page builders today, and you can get something that looks like this. But the one thing I have with it, I love Series Engine, but I really don't like the logo here at the bottom. And most of that's because I'm nitpicky. And the other part of it is if I pay for a premium plugin, like I think Series Engine still costs about $100. If I pay for something, I want it to look like it's just a part of my site. It's fine if I'm using a free like if I'm using AppSumo and I'm using the free version and they put their logo or like this is powered by such and such if I'm using the free stuff. But when I pay for a premium plugin, I like to be able to make it look like it's a part of the site and provide a seamless design. And so, not gigging Eric or the developer of Series Engine, but I want to show you how to hide this real quick. And it's like a line of CSS. And so what we're going to do is we're going to inspect this. I'm using Chrome. Just about every browser has inspect capabilities. So I inspected that little logo right here. Oh, oops. Inspect it. And you can see here's the link for it. Here's the class right here, the enmse-powered by. And I'm just going to copy that. And since I'm in Beaver Builder, and for Beaver Builder, I'm just going to add the CSS to the actual layout real quick. And so I'm going to come up here, go to Layout, CSS, and Settings. I'm going to scroll back down so you can see what happens. So I'm going to type that in. Needs a period, doesn't it? Add a bracket, display, none. And it should go, yeah, it went away just like that. You can see if I copy that whole thing and get rid of it, it'll pop back up. And I'm going to save it. I did it just in this layout. I really recommend if you do that, if you have different instances of Series Engine, to do it in your theme style sheet. So I could just as easily come over here to Appearance, Editor. I'm in my CSS, and I could paste it right here. And always add a little, hide Series Engine logo, so I know exactly what that little snippet of CSS is going for. That's it, guys. That's how you hide the Series Engine logo. I'd love for you, if you like little tutorials like this or bigger tutorials, I'd love for you to hit the subscribe bar. If you have questions, I'd love to help you there. Just comment here. And if you have other tutorials that you want to suggest that we make, add a comment here as well, and we'll see if we can make it happen. Thanks again, guys.